washing some laundry and also bringing out the next size. My baby is sizing up. Finally, I'm gonna start off by getting the laundry together so she can fit the next size. So we're gonna bring the size out, wash those clothes, wash dirty clothes. So the stuff that's right here should be all of the next size. I'm gonna wash all that. Got shorts and pants and stuff. So we got a bunch of stuff to wash. We have a bunch of clothes in the closet that we're gonna bring out and we're gonna put in her little open closet dresser area. And it's like a mixture of long sleeve, short sleeve stuff. All this stuff back here we're gonna bring out. So like I said, you got some long sleeve stuff and then we got short sleeve stuff. My baby is small, she grows very slow, but she's healthy, but she grows very slow. So this was stuff that was supposed to be worn in the wintertime, but you know, she didn't get to it until now. So yeah. This is so cute. So now we got some summer stuff. This stuff is 9 months, so we might keep that in the closet. We're gonna put this stuff up. We already got stuff down here. We're gonna color code it, make it cute and organized, and yeah. This is what I already have hanging up. I'm about to take these down and color code it on the bed and then hang them all back up. This is what we're working on right now. Let's get this together. We got some orange, some red. These are so cute. There's some cute stuff. Way too much pink. Start on this side and we're gonna hang this stuff up. Some red and orange. The monster. Sorry if y'all a little crooked. This is so cute. My aunt bought this for her. Now we gotta get the blue stuff. We need blue. Blue. We got blue. The blue stuff. A little we got a rainbow. We got some red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And now we need the purple. Purple, purple, purple. The purple. Yeah, your grandma loves purple. Purple? Yeah, purple. Put this like right here. Yeah, we can put that right there. Green, blue, blue, green, whatever. That's cute. I like how this looks so far. I like it. All right, let's bring out the pink. I think we could fit some on this side before we go to the other side. Can y'all see? Okay, y'all can still see. Gotta make sure y'all good too. So yeah, we can fit some stuff over here. Got some pink right there. Okay. I think this is the cutest dress ever. I bought this for her for Christmas. We going to the other side now. And we gonna hang this stuff over here. Is this the rest of the pink? Yep, it's the rest of the pink. Now we got this beige tan color next. All right, boom. Put this stuff in. Thank you for holding it open. It's 1 a.m. and I'm very sleepy, but we're gonna get these clothes folded. My baby's asleep. So I'm gonna go through these clothes and whatever she can't fit, I'm gonna just put over there and I'm gonna let